Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, Come Travel With Me. Today I would like to share a fun and memorable DIY project. Almost every one of us while traveling buy a souvenir to bring home from favorite places visited. Well, why not make your own memorable souvenir with your own hands? Not just some magnet, cup, or shirt, but a piece of art that can tell a story, can make a home decor, and can be passed from generation to generation and future. In this video, I'll go through how to make a souvenir using collage art method. Almost every place has travel guides and brochures with best places to visit and other good stuff for tourists to know. So, make sure to bring and save at least one of the travel guides as it's the foundation to making the art. Alright, for step 1, grab the travel guide and start tearing parts from the guide. It can be parts of places that you visited or anything to your liking. Step number 2, grab a sheet of paper to your liking. It does not need to be white. I'll be using clear white cardstock paper if anyone interested. Step 3. Arrange torn pieces on the paper as wanted until satisfied with the arrangement. Step number 4. Tape or glue pieces to the paper. I'll be taping pieces to the paper. This is an optional step. To make the art last longer, I will be laminating it. Step 5. You finished the art project. Congratulations! Now, look at the art. Does it bring back memories of the time when you were at the specific place? Let me know in the comments below what you think of this idea of saving money and making your own special custom souvenir. Now you can frame it and hang it on your wall or add it to your album. Thank you for watching till the end. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, write a comment below, like the video, and I'll see you in the next adventure.